Now let's look at this figure 21-6, and we're dealing with gases and vapors that are present. So we're going to go over the table 4.4.2 and NFPA 497, and we'll get the group based upon the type of gas that we're dealing with here, and those gases are listed, in table 4.4.2 to NFPA 497. Now this equipment is a group C. We've determined from the table 4.4.2 that we're group C. And we notice on the equipment, lighting fixture, whatever it may be, there's a T code letter of T3B as in boy. It's a class 1 division 1 or 2 based upon the vapor being there all the time, or maybe the vapor's only there under abnormal conditions. But the T code letter on the equipment matches up with table 500.8C. But the groups, we talk about the groups A through D in the NEC 500.6A1 through A4. But to find out more information about a gas or vapor, once again, I'll quote it, go to NFPA 497, table 4.4.2, and we'll be talking about that table more as we get into the presentation of hazardous classified locations. But notice you take that T code letter 3B, match it up to the Celsius, degrees in Celsius or degrees in Fahrenheit, and we notice that we could install it, at 329 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. And notice we could install it there because the gas around the equipment has an ignition temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, ignition temperature of a particular gas or vapor, once again, is found in table 4.4.2 and NFPA 497. So you could see at 350, 180, a T3A T code letter, no, it'd be 180 Celsius and 356 Fahrenheit. So we would select T3B could be placed in this area because we wouldn't exceed the T3A grouping of either Celsius or Fahrenheit temperature. So that's what you must do. You have to find out based upon the gas or vapor what would be the ignition temperature of that gas or vapor, and you'd find that in your table 4.4.2 to NFPA 497, and then you would classify the area based upon the vapor being there all the time, or it could only escape due to a malfunction of some fitting, or say a bleed off valve, a check valve, some of those similar type valves. And that's what this illustration 21-6 is illustrating to the designer or user of the NEC.